Ndewo, aha m bụ Chidi Igwe, onye nkuzi Igbo Language and Cultural School online, www.igboteacher.com or www.igboschool.com. Emails and comments, chidi.igwe@gmail.com. In one of the preceding lessons, we looked at how to conjugate the verb able to be in the present tense and how to combine the verb able with pronouns and professions to express what we do. In this lesson today, we're going to look at the verb icho, to want, and we'll see how to use this verb icho plus the verb able to express things that we want to be. We will conjugate this verb in the progressive tense and the present tense so that we can say things that we are looking for or things that we would want to be. The verb icho, repeat, icho. In the progressive tense is the continuous tense, is the present continuous tense, the thing that is happening and continuing to happen. Nacho, inacho, onacho, anyị nacho, unu nacho, ha nacho. To find out what somebody is looking for, you can say, Gịnị ka ị nacho? What are you looking for? And then the person will respond by saying, nacho, and then you put a noun or something that you're looking for. If you want to ask the question in the third person, that's to find out what another person is looking for by using the person's name. Gịnị ka Emeka nacho? What is Emeka looking for? Then the answer will be Emeka nacho. Another way to ask this question is Kedu ihe ị nacho? Kedu ihe unu nacho? Kedu ihe ha nacho? Kedu ihe Emeka nacho? What is Emeka looking for? Now here we have a list of things that we can possibly be looking for. Ụgbọala m. Ụgbọ, boat that goes on ala, land. So land boat. So which is a way of saying the car in English. Ụgbọala m, my car. Ụlọ m. Ụmụ m. Nwa m. Adreesị enyi m. Ebe enyi m bi. Be oyi m nwoke. Be oyi m nwanyị. So gịnị ka ị na-achọ? M na-achọ ụgbọala m. M na-achọ adreesị enyi m. M na-achọ be oyi m nwoke.